Hi everyone, it's Sue here from the Indigo Blue design team, and this is a second in a short series of videos where I'm going to show you a couple of different cards made using the same stamp, which is the Ho 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 latest Christmas edition stamp. On this card I'm also going to be using the Christmas dictionary and the Tall Santa Christmas card from a few years ago. So the first thing I did was to stamp out the Christmas dictionary using a VersaFine Smoky Grey. And then I've got the Ho 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 stamp, and I stamped on top of the dictionary. This time I used VersaFine Clair Nocturne so that the black stands out a little bit from the background. I'm going to get a piece of scrap paper and we're going to colour this card. And for this we're going to use the Vivids, and I've chosen Friar Tuck because it's a beautiful colour red, and so we'll use this. So if I put a little bit on my glass mat by here, and then I'm going to wet the letters where I'm going to paint with a drop of water. Okay, and I'm going to add a little drop of water to this colour. See how lovely that is. And I'm going to come in here and drop it in a corner. Well, you can't have a corner of a circle, but still. And let it flow out from here. Okay, I think that's good enough. So we'll leave that on the side to dry now. Sorry if you can hear my dog snoring in the background. Roxy, shh! Not that I'll make any difference. The other stamp I used was the Tall Santa, and so I've stamped him out in VersaFine Clair and embossed it with the clear Superfine embossing glaze, and fussy cut him out. And I've also used the sentiment on this stamp, which is sending you love this Christmas, and I've heat embossed that one as well. So these, I think we're going to colour Santa with the Luscious in Clockwork Heart and in gold. So if I just clean up this little mess first. Bring my palette of lashes over, and this one here is the Clockwork Heart. So I've now got all the pieces to put together. So this piece of card is 10 centimeters by 14.5 centimeters, or 4 by 5.5 inches in old money. So I've got a piece of red glitter card, which is 1 centimeter extra in both directions, so that you'll have a 0.5 centimeter border all the way around. So get my tape gun. And I think I need a little bit of glue to give it a bit of wiggle room so that I can find the right place on the card. Together on there, like that's not quite. Yep, I think that's all right. Take my piece of copy paper and give it a good rub. Okay, that's not too bad. Right, then we're gonna put Santa here. Okay, so we'll put a bit grab and go glue on the back. And we'll put the tools and marmalade butter just about by here, I think. Yep. And then we'll put the sentiment on as well. And I think about there. Okay. Just need to once over. Right. Okay, I think that looks okay. Then this is a 5 by 7 card base, which I've cut down a little bit at the bottom so that this fits nicely on there. Okay, again, I'll use my tape glider. Bit of glue. And then make sure we've got it the right way up. And there you are. So this is the second in the series of the Ho 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 card. I might do another one, so hopefully see you again soon. Bye for now.